Hey everybody, Cowboy here. We had a discussion today around Bitcoin's current price action. Basically, it's about what's been going on for the past few weeks, several weeks, and the next month or two. It's been pretty exciting, and a lot of people think that certain things are going to happen. I lay out what I think will happen with Bitcoin over the next month or two, and maybe even a little bit farther out. So it's a bit of a Bitcoin forecast. But either way, go ahead and you see the website at the bottom of the screen, also the QR code. You can use those to find us online. And if you stick around after the video, we do give a little bit more information out as to what we do, how you can find us. Furthermore, if you look on the main page of YouTube, you will see the links right there to our social media. Okay, enjoy. We got Bitcoin, and like I told you before, selling those spikes is kind of the way right now. Let me go ahead and bring out this chart, and then we're going to go back and we're going to talk about more kind of the content that we were discussing earlier, because there's there's just, I don't know, there's stuff to talk about there. But this right here looks like a bull flag, and if anybody has been paying attention to what I've been saying about Bitcoin and bull flags, is that they tend to not go well for people who trade them like bull flags. So you do have this kind of high right here, the 31,000, and price is knocking its head there. You have plenty of price action back here that has created some it's an order block basically. It's more or less right here. So at the top of that is where price kind of is right now, and you could even shrink that order block to this most recent kind of poke right there. So to get above that is going to be a bit of a chore for Bitcoin, and I don't think Bitcoin's going to extend any further if it doesn't just dump, and the probability of it falling from here I think is a bit higher than anything else. But it could go as high as 35 or 36 because people might keep going short. As long as people keep going short, and a lot of people keep going short right here, bust out my bigger arrow that I like to use. Where are you, sir? There you are. So as long as people continue to short right there, and they short in a more like kind of a reactionary way, like meaning like they're not reactionary, but if they're reactive in their shorts and they're not letting the algos kind of tell them what to do or whatever, they're just kind of, hey, it's at a top, I'm going to short. Bitcoin has a history of punishing shorters, and the way it punishes a shorter is it'll punish the bears by popping up, knocking out all their stops, and then going down. And a way to tell if that's going to happen, of course, is our favorite site over here, the Kingfisher. We're going to give this a spin just to see if I can get some free credits. No credits. Okay, so let's go ahead and get a leverage map of Bitcoin. I need to try this. There we go. So your liquidity is all sitting down still at about 26.6. That's the big liquidity spike. And then there's another one at 23.4. So 26.6, 23.4. That's where most of it is. So we can put some marks on those areas. 26.6 and 23.4. And, those are the areas I think price will eventually make their way to. Now, it could end up that price never really makes it above here, but typically with Bitcoin, that's what happens. Bitcoin tends to go up to knock out stops and then make its way into the liquidity areas. But right now, it doesn't look like that's going to happen because there isn't much liquidity above here. There isn't really until about 33,000 to say 35,000. And there's not much. It's there. So I'd say from 33 to 35, 34.7. Where is this? So 33 to 34.7. So you got some liquidity right here, to say right there. And there's not a lot. It would kind of surprise me a little bit to get all the way up here, but if enough people go short, and that might be why price is kind of hanging out and not making its way down. It's just the bulls are strong enough to keep it where it is, right? not enough people are going short yet. So it might be that price needs to kind of fool around and do some things and bring some more trades into the leverage market before it can wash it out. Otherwise, it'll eventually just make its way down. So, and I think that a good target would be right around here. So that's what I see happening with Bitcoin. And in the meantime, it's just basically, it's ranging. So we are live every weekday, 8:30 a.m. EST, giving out free content. Come check us out on YouTube. Come talk to us. Go over to the website. That's www.algofactory.tech. Again, www.algofactory.tech. And for a limited time promotional offer, we are giving out memberships at $49.99 a month. There's a ton that we're offering over there. Come see what that's about. Also, you can see our Twitter link. All the links are up on YouTube. Come talk to us on social media. See us on the live YouTube videos. We hope to see you soon.